Okay. Where's John at? Oh, there you are. You got it going?
Yep.
What about raining?
Do what?
Ram it down.
Fire in the hole!
Side out of that one.
That knocked over that.
It blew both waddings out.
Oh, man.
That went that basketball too, John.
Yep.